Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to use the autofill features in Excel to save time and work smarter. Manual entry. Open the Microsoft Excel app and select the blank workbook. Type 1 in A1 and type 2 in A2 cell and continue this manually up to 10. This is the traditional way, but Excel has much faster methods. Autofill using fill handle. Type 1 in cell B1 and 2 in cell B2. Select both the cells, hover over the bottom right corner until the cursor becomes a small black cross. Drag the fill handle down to cell B10. Excel automatically detects the pattern and completes it for you. Autofill using Control key. Type 1 in cell C1. Click the cell to highlight it. Hover over the bottom right corner until the cursor becomes a small black cross. Hold the Control key and drag the fill handle down. Match it. You can see the numbers. Autofill using fill series. Type 1 in cell D1. Go to Home, Fill and select Series. In the dialog box, select Column and set the stop value to 10. Click OK. Let us create month, date and day. Type January in cell A1. Drag the fill handle down to generate all the months. Type the date in cell B1 in the pattern 01/01/2024 and drag the fill handle to fill consecutive dates. Type Monday in cell B1 and drag the fill handle to get all the days of the week. Let us generate the custom date and time. Type Jan 2025 in cell C1. Drag the fill handle down to generate all the months of 2025. Now type 01/01/2025 in cell E1 and type the 1st of February 2025 in cell E2. Select both the cells. Now drag the fill handle to fill custom dates. For time, type 1:30 in cell A1 and 2:30 in cell A2. Same manner, select both the cells, drag the fill handle down to cell A12 to generate the time series of difference of 1 hour. Excel will help us to generate the text series also. Let us try to generate the text series. Type item 1 in cell G1, item 2 in cell G2. Select both the cells, drag the fill handle down to cell B12 to generate the text series up to list 12. You can generate series like A1, A2 and so on. Let us try to generate the squares and cube numbers. Select the cell A1 and type 1. In column B, enter the formula A1 to the power of 2 and drag down for the squares. Drag the fill handle to generate the numbers from 1 to 10 and drag the fill handle to generate the square numbers. In column C, enter the formula. Make sure before writing the formula, enter equal sign. Column C, enter formula A1 to the power of 3 and drag down for cubes. With simple formulas, you can generate squares and cubes instantly. Even numbers. Type 2 in cell A1 and 4 in cell A2. Select both the cells and drag the fill handle down. Excel detects the step of 2 to create even numbers effortlessly. Fibonacci series. Type 0 in cell C1 and 1 in cell C2. In cell C3, enter the formula C1 plus C2. Now drag the formula down to generate the series. This simple formula helps you to create a Fibonacci series in seconds. To generate the random values, select the cell A1 and enter the formula random between, in the parentheses you give the numbers 1 comma 50. Now drag the fill handle down to generate the random integers. Random values from 0 to 1. In a similar manner, select a cell A1 and enter the formula random without any arguments or without any values. Now just drag the fill handle down. This will generate the numbers in between 0 to 1. And that's it. You'll learn how to Excel autofill features to handle everything from simple pattern to complexities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.